All right, we're about to go from drab to fab. All right, well, hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you another look with this palette right here from Colored Raine. I'm going to be doing 2 different lip looks with this eye look right here, just kind of giving you some options. So if you don't want to go for a full-on chocolate look, which I'm really feeling, you can always go the safe route, which is with a nude lip. All right, let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to be trying out this palette again. I'm going to be creating another look with it. Definitely going to be trying something that's quite different. I don't remember the last time I've done a brown smoky eye on my channel, and I don't know how successful it really looked. So yeah, so let's go ahead and try to make something new. And I'm probably going to end up using this palette as well from e.l.f. All right, so first things first, I'm going to start with Moisturizing My Face as usual. And I'm going to be using this here from Revival Labs. It has hyaluronic acid in it and the spray is terrible. I'm going today to the Dollar Tree to find me some little bottles like I did before and see if that'll help. I just like the way it shoots me in my face. If you've watched my skincare video that I recently loaded up, one of the things I forgot about was hyaluronic acid. Totally forgot about that. And that's why I bought this one in the first place when I first started my skincare. It was because it had hyaluronic acid in it. And as I was sitting here doing my tutorial, I was like, oh, that was one of the things that's supposed to be in the skincare. And I just totally stopped doing it. But hey, starting back, let's see what difference it makes. And I had just a little bit of aloe vera gel left in this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I still got my other bottle. It just shows you how much like I just prefer to use aloe vera on my skin, like I just do. I'm gonna moisturize my lips with Dr. Bronner, and this is the peppermint. And then as usual, I'm gonna be using Derma E on one eye. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna put some here. We neglect this little spot right here. Moisturizing the eye and leaving the fine little smile lines to be by themselves. And Perricone MD firming eye cream on the other. All right, and then I'm gonna have some water. All right, now that I got skincare done, let's move on to brows. I'm actually gonna switch up. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Gel, and I'm gonna use, I believe it's in medium brown. And I'm gonna be using this Equal Tools double-ended brush. This usually comes in a set, not usually it does. And the reason I'm switching up is because I'm actually gonna be doing a pretty brown smoky eye today, and I don't want the eyebrows to like look, I guess you can say faded or not deep enough, and then having a really dark eye, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush. And this is like by far one of my favorite brow brushes. Like, I don't know what it is, I guess because maybe the bristles are really firm, but they're really great at getting in there. And this is really great at brushing the brow gel or pencil, whatever it is you use, and making it look nice, faded, and natural, especially like right up in this area. I really love it for that. Like, and it's inexpensive. My other favorite part. Alright, I'm just making sure I'm shaping the bottom here so we don't lose the shape. I'm still gonna use just a little bit of powder with this, just to give it more of that natural feel. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Bhcosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. Anyway, if you wanna have some realistic gradient effect looking brows, definitely always try 2 colors. So 2 color powders, 2 color pencil, whatever. I'm gonna finish using up this concealer right here, and this is from Flower Beauty. I'm gonna use this brush from Equal Tools. And then I'm going to be using the Cover FX Power Play in N Medium 3. Actually, the more and more I look at this color, it really looks very good for me, actually. You know what? I think it matters how much you put on. Yep. All right, so I'm going to go to the e.l.f. Opposites Attract palette, and I'm going to use this color Fresh with this Dew Cure brush. And if you haven't entered my giveaway, it's probably getting ready to end pretty soon. Make sure to go ahead and enter. This brush is in it, along with some other stuff. Now I still could do a brown smoky eye with this palette, but I really wanted something not so cool tone, not so neutral looking. That's why we're going on to this palette. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick. Is that what it's called? Yeah. All right, let's try that again and pretend like, oh yeah, everything is pristine on YouTube. And this is in the color Bronze Metal. And you can use anything. You can use a brown eyeliner. If you use gel liner, you can use that. But I thought, hey, let me use this because this thing right here, you put it on, it's on. So I figured just as well use it up. No point in buying these products and not using them up. I'm gonna use this smudging brush from Bhcosmetics. So the last thing you want to do is put on, you know, whatever it is you're going to put on, the gel, the pencil, and you don't smudge this out. And when you get ready to put in your transition colors, it'll stick to it and not want to blend in the crease. And yeah, that's not the look I'm going for. That's very editorial. That's not what I'm trying to do. While we're here, I probably should have went with this color. This color is Metallic Mocha. And it's more of a burgundy color. But if you have, like I said, a brown eyeliner, go with that. I'm going to be using the Bhcosmetics 12 brush, and I'm going to be going in with natural. Let me go in a little. There we go. Let's get this crease popping. Let's get it darker, warmer. Switching up brushes. Just to warm it up a little bit more in the crease. I don't know if this base is deep enough or... All right, let's go in a little bit deeper. Let's go into recharge. Thank you. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with Nighty Night. It's a nice chocolate brown. And I would just put this all over the lid. I was kind of wanting to go with the red. You know what, we said we're gonna do brown smoky, right? Well, it can still be brown smoky, just different brown smokies. Well, this worked out perfect. I'm gonna switch it up just a little bit. Actually looks really nice. That went on really, really nice right there. I'm gonna go put a little bit of that on there to blend out the edge. I think one of my problems with brown smoky eyes is that it's always made me look really like tired and aged. But I think it was always because I was putting it like too far. I was going too far with the color and probably the crease wasn't fun enough either. All right, I'm gonna go back to recharge so we can blend this edge out better. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. Doesn't make me look crazy. All right, and then let's kind of repeat the same steps on the bottom. Let's go with a smaller brush. This is the other one that comes in the set with the Eco Tools brush. It's also double-ended. Gonna use this small little blending pencil brush and going in with natural. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Nighty Night. Keep this more on the like outer corner to like mid part of the eye. And then I'm gonna go in with Dusk. Let's see what that looks like. Probably not bright enough, but let's go with Recharge. So you can see enough of a contrast, you know what I mean? I want to put something down and then put this over. So you know what, let's go in with Daisy, right? And then we're gonna put Dream. This Dream is like this really pretty shade right here, but it's very glittery. So that's why I wanted to put, matter of fact, what do I got that to make this stick thing? But use a glitter glue, use whatever you want. This is from Ben Nye. I'll have to find the name of it. But it helps glitters and eyeshadows, shimmers and stuff like that to really, really pop and stick on. And I had to change it out of the bottle because somebody broke the bottle and it was probably me. I ain't gonna blame nobody else. It was probably me. Well, I probably should put a darker base down and then put this on top. So then that would have been more of a contrast, but we already here. Let me wipe this off first. I don't want to glue the shadow down. Yeah, in the pan. Ooh, it's changing it. Is it changing it? Yes, it is. I don't know. No, I don't know. Wow, it's made it very, very, very sticky. All right, let's go back to this palette. I'm gonna go back to Nighty Night because you know we gotta fix that right there. Can't have that looking like that. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should not have used that. And let's put a little bit of Daisy. Fade in the edge a bit, just to make this look, I don't know, somewhat normal. There we go. I think that's better. Yeah, let's do Recharge so we can have more of a blend from the, there we go. I just needed to have a nice gradient like transition. So from Dream to Recharge to Nighty Night. And then same thing on the bottom, Recharge. So we can fade in that color into the chocolate. I haven't done gel eyeliner in a while. I think I've kind of been avoiding it though. And I'm gonna use Black Radiance Waterproof. Be careful when this stuff gets on your lashes. It gets on your lashes. I wish there was like another, you know what? I'm gonna use this end right here because I don't like when this stuff gets in my lashes. It's pretty much like a mascara and let's go ahead and try to brush it out now. It'll be a hot mess later when it dries. Yeah, I don't like this wand that's on it. It's very, very stiff. Let's try to fix that right there. Makeup remover, not twins. Let's leave well enough alone. I'm good right there. I'm going to go back and just add just a little bit more, you know, since we kind of got a little bit, you know, out of control right there. And you're probably wondering, well, why did you put it on in the first place? I wanted to make sure the eyeshadow stick. That's my thing. And I'm going to use this Becca blurring primer. I would say if you want more of a blurring effect, definitely the e.l.f. one definitely does it. Ooh, yeah, don't rub. I don't know what's going on there. Pat. I'm not used to it rolling off initially, usually with foundation. Goodness gracious. Definitely with this product, make sure that you, as soon as you put it on the back of your hand or wherever you're placing it, then pat it on. No rubbing it in. I don't know, I didn't notice it doing it last time. Then I'm gonna put on the Becca Shimmer Perfector Spotlight. Anyway, I just wish companies would come out with like smaller little packaging similar to this, so you don't have to buy like full sizes to mix, especially with your skin tone changing color during the seasons. I just think it's more practical. It's like less waste and you're guaranteed to like finish the product before it expires. All right, now we got that glow skin on. Then I'm gonna be using these two right here from Bare Minerals. This is Bare Maple and this is Bare Buff. Tested them out the other day, but I really, really want to wear it a little bit longer and just see how it really behaves. It literally like drops out, a drop. Makes it firm. And then I'm gonna go over it with this Eco Tool sponge. I just think it looks so much better. Matter of fact, one more step, sorry. I'm gonna take a paper towel. I'm gonna soak up the excess serum from this. And I learned this from reading a makeup book. All right, now let's blend it in. I'm gonna take a drop of the darker shade, and I'm just taking a drop of that. I'm just using that to like warm up the face a bit. All right, I'm gonna take this little brush here, take a little bit of that deeper shade, and use that to contour my nose. There we go. All right, I had to like shape my face because, yeah. And I just felt like I was like literally painting. Yeah, I'm not liking that blurring primer. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna try this foundation again without this primer because literally the primer is like peeling. And then I'm gonna go in with Bhcosmetics in 240. There we go, bring life back. Oof. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And this is from Bhcosmetics, their professional blush palette. I like this, I'm liking it. It's coming together, it's coming together. It looked kind of crazy, but it's coming together. The only thing I don't like about the Black Radiance is that felt tip that's on that particular eyeliner. They have another one that has like the brush. I think I just need to go and switch one of these brush handles out and just place the other one in there. I think that's what I did before. So it doesn't get on your lashes and make it stick together. And then when it's time to put mascara on, you can't get the mascara through the lashes. It's not fun. And mascara, I'm gonna be using the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Yeah, I think I might have to put lashes on with this look. All right, so I'm gonna use these lashes. I've been like holding on to these lashes like forever, probably over a year, maybe 2, I don't know. I think it's one of those things like when you think about putting on lashes and you're in a rush and you don't wanna jack up your look. So it's like, a lot of times just kind of go without it. Oh, and it has a little, it comes with a little lash thing. Yeah, I just want to show you the detail of this lash. I don't know about the glue or anything like that, but I do know I like their brow products. I think I'm just gonna cut just a little bit off the end on this one because I hate being poked in the eye by lashes. Yeah, I'd rather be safe than sorry. And then I'm going to be using this Sassy eyelash glue. And honestly, I haven't found something else to like replace it. I just like it. Oh wow, these are very extreme. That's probably why I never wore them. Wow, that is a bit much. All right, I don't know how I feel about this. All right, and then I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. Oh, that's what I left. Ugh. I'm gonna be testing out this new pencil from Rimmel. This is their lasting finish in Cafe Au Latte. All right, and then I'm gonna be wearing this shade Nude Exposure from BUXOM. And then I'm gonna put this BUXOM lip gloss on top. It's called Sandy, and it's a lip plumper. I bought it in a set and wasn't paying attention. And then I'm gonna spray this down with the Taya Cucumber Witch Hazel. Oh, and then one more step, I'm gonna put in Simmer Brown in the waterline. All right, I had to fix that real quick because anyway, I had to fix the liner real quick. Anyway, I want to say I'm totally loving this look. The only thing I would say is I feel like these lashes are like a bit much. I don't mind wearing lashes, but these are like extreme. But maybe that's what's needed for like a really dark eye makeup look. It looks really good. I just don't know about in person. On camera, it looks really, really good. And what I love is, you know, the whole layered look. So the little stacked look, so it's not like a flat lash. Man, that's serious business. Anyway, now I also want to say I'm really happy with this Rimmel lip liner. This thing is creamy. It's almost, I think it's literally the same color. So I'm so glad that I found something that's in store. Yes, it's not 99 cents, but it's available in the store. Because by the time I end up paying shipping and everything, yeah. You know what, let's just try one more look. And to be honest, I really didn't even have to do this step. But I wanted to because I've already like overlined my lips. And then this one is from Colored Raine. It's Whatever. It's a very, very dark chocolate. Actually, this might be too dark. Ooh. Ooh wee. Okay, and I'm also feeling this look. Let's get the full old school Mariah Carey full hair look going on. First off, I think I like this look better. I've been wanting to do a chocolate on chocolate look. This, oh my gosh, this is hot. Like I was concerned like this lip right here was too deep, but I think it's just right. It's just right for this look because I have like the reddy brown tones, and this is more of a dark brown, but it has like a red undertone to it, so it's not like this neutral cool tone brown. It has some warmth to it, so I really like it a whole lot. The other one made me feel like super glamorous, but this one makes it feel like, yeah, I can go and hang out and chill and still look fine. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, if you have a favorite brown lip color or lip pencil, leave it down in the description box below. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, I've been obsessing over this, like searching for brown shades, especially brown shades. It doesn't have to be dark brown, but just anything in the brown family. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know I did. I've definitely stepped out of my comfort zone like many times in this video, but I'm glad I did because I've been wanting to do a look like this and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Anyway, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumbs up so other people like you on YouTube can find my videos here on this channel. You know what I mean. Anyway, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.